Hey traders and investors, welcome to today's Steady Trader YouTube Live. The type of video that I get the most inquiries on is when I talk about a gadget, if I talk about a chart setting or something like that. And so what I've found over time, and this holds true to institutional investors as well, is that a lot of people treat trading as entertainment. I can't tell you how many people I talk to on a weekly basis that ultimately end up saying, they want to make money as their primary and from the market primarily from trading, but it's also like their hobby and they just like to sit there and watch it all day. And I can tell you that's ultimately going to lead to losses for most of these people because trading shouldn't be entertainment. What you really need to do, and that's what the pros do, is you focus on a specific setup and then walk away. Right? Do your research, and mostly, if you can, do your research somewhere else, right? Like a couple of the best hedge fund managers that I know, a lot of the research they do, and I've in the meantime adopted that about 8 years ago, is they go to cafes with their laptop and they're not actually in front of their trading computer like my setup here, unless they do some more serious execution and stuff like that. So let me show you one of the reasons why people also look at this as entertainment, and it's really just the way a lot of these things are set up. So if you look at this, for example, this is the Thinkorswim platform, and I love this platform, by the way, but just look at it. Look at the color scheme. Look at like how simple. All you have to do is hit one darn button to hit buy or sell. And so, and there's other tools here that it just really looks like a video game, right? Now, again, I'm not here to knock this tool. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm not here either to recommend it either. I'm just showing you, what it looks like. But this looks like a video game, right? And it's very easy to get lured into this being a video game. So at the same time, a lot of people also have this thing where they just like gadgets. They like new phones. They like new this and that for trading. And so a lot of the people that we talk to have at least 2 broker accounts. I would probably almost say on average, people we talk to have 2 broker accounts. And a lot of times the reasons for that is really there's not even really a reason. We see people, some people there's certain things they can't trade in one platform versus another, but really, quite frankly, honestly, guys, there's really not a whole lot of reasons anymore to have multiple broker accounts. If you go to a good one, like you can pretty much cover most things in one broker account. I know some of them have higher commission than others, but you know what? If one of them has higher commission, it also tends to have better technology. So you kind of have to just, bite the bullet there. Which, by the way, speaking of commission, we'll talk about commissions maybe tomorrow or next week in a video because I think people are making too big a deal of paying of commission as well. But I think a lot of the issues here is that people have too many gadgets as well, and that's why they're looking at it as entertainment. So that's also why people constantly flip from one guru to another because they're constantly just wanting new gadgets and things like that. So if you focus on this business as really being something you generally want to make money from and you don't look at it as entertainment, you're going to be much more focused. I guess that's really the point I wanted to make today. Just had a conversation with someone about this last night over dinner. And it's just become very clear to us what we're seeing is that the people who do well, they are treating this as a business, not as entertainment. So anyway, hope this makes sense, folks. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube Live. Take care.